Feeling overwhelmed in your career? Struggling with toxic work environments, burnout, or uncertainty? The solution may lie in ancient wisdom. Stoic philosophy offers powerful tools for self-control, resilience, and growth, even in the modern workplace. What is Stoicism? Stoicism is an ancient Greek philosophy founded in the 3rd century BCE. It teaches us to live by virtue, focus only on what we can control, and maintain inner peace amidst external chaos. Stoicism has influenced world leaders, athletes, and entrepreneurs, from Marcus Aurelius to modern CEOs. In a fast-paced professional world, these timeless principles are more relevant than ever. Let's explore how you can apply Stoic wisdom to grow and thrive in your career. Focus on what you can control. One of the core teachings of Stoicism. We cannot control external events. We can only control our thoughts and actions. Epictetus. In your career, you can't control office politics, co-workers' behavior, market conditions, but you can control your response, your mindset, your effort. Use this mindset to reduce stress and stay focused on what truly matters. Turn obstacles into opportunities. The obstacle is the way. Marcus Aurelius. Every challenge contains the seed of personal growth. Didn't get that promotion? Gain clarity, improve skills, and seek new opportunities. Struggling with a micromanaging boss? Learn patience, improve communication, or develop your leadership. A Stoic sees failure not as defeat, but as fuel for improvement. Practice self-discipline. Career success requires consistent habits and strong inner discipline. The Stoics practiced daily self-reflection, emotional regulation, moderation in actions and speech. Discipline equals freedom. Freedom from impulse, freedom from regret, freedom to build a life aligned with your goals. Ask yourself each day, what must I do today to move forward with purpose? Practical Stoic habits for work. 5 Stoic habits to build your career. 1. Morning journaling. Clarify your goals, values, and intentions. Ask, what is the best use of my time today? 2. Evening reflection. Review the day without judgment. Ask, did I act with integrity and purpose? 3. Negative visualization. Mentally prepare for setbacks. Accept difficulty before it arises. 4. Voluntary discomfort ***. Take cold showers, skip luxury, push limits. Build grit and reduce attachment. 5. Pause before reacting. Create space between stimulus and response. Respond with wisdom, not emotion. Career applications of Stoicism. Stoicism helps you navigate toxic workplaces, lead with integrity, recover from setbacks faster, avoid burnout, make better decisions under pressure. When others panic, a Stoic stays calm. When others chase titles, a Stoic pursues mastery. Your mindset becomes your competitive edge. Closing reflections. The ancient Stoics faced exile, war, disease, and death. They didn't crumble. They endured with strength and purpose. If they could thrive under those conditions, so can you. Like this video if you want to apply Stoic wisdom to your career. Comment below, which Stoic habit will you try this week? Subscribe for more deep insights on philosophy, mindset, and success. Hit the bell so you don't miss new weekly videos. Watch next, 10 Daily Habits of Modern Stoics. Remember, the only true control is self-control.